Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Today looks like we're doing number 306. And for this box, we're only missing a 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here. So this is our 9, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. No help here. 3, 7, 9. We've got the 9 covering both of these boxes and a 3 here. So that means this is our 6. That 9 means this is our 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. And we have already made a mistake. Let's see. I think this box was actually missing 3, 7, and 9. So this 3 would make this our 7 and 3. So now back to this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 7, 3 here, so that makes this our 1. No other help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 7, 8 there, so 6, 7. That means our 8 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 and 6 covering this box, so our 7 is here. I don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 covering here and a 7 here. So this is our 8. That 7 makes this our 2, 7. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. And that 6 makes this our 3, 6. For this box now, we're only missing a 9. For this row, also missing a 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 6. 1 here, so 3, 1. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 7. 3 here, so 6, 7. 7 here, so 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 4, 1, and 8 here. So this is our 4, 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 6, 7, 3. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. And for this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.